Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the new ticketing system in Jamaica. Now Jamaica has a fully computerized ticketing system. It has two main parts. One, you can now receive a ticket for running a red light via camera footage. So the police don't need to physically see you. If the camera picks you up running the red light, you're going to get a ticket. Excellent system, and Jamaica needs it to stop the indiscipline on the roads. Now the second part is when the police stop you and give you a ticket, it's now going to be an electronic ticket. And the entire process is now computerized. So let's go through the first one. Let's say you run a red light and the camera picks it up. The camera will record the offense and it's going to take a picture of your license plate, and a ticket will be issued to the owner of the car, to the person that license plate or the car is registered to. They will receive a ticket. Now, that ticket will be sent to the address on file, and in the event that the person does not get the ticket will still be there. So when you go to renew your car registration at the tax office, you're not going to be able to do it until that ticket is paid. So let's go through the process now. You lend your friend your car. He runs a red light. Doesn't tell you he ran the red light. Maybe he didn't even know the camera picked him up. The system now issues a ticket to you, the owner of the car. And even if you don't receive the ticket in the mail, you'll find out that there's an outstanding ticket when you go to the tax office to do any business with that car. So you cannot license your car until that ticket is paid. Excellent system. And it's not new technology. This has been happening all over the world. Now, you can also log in, and I recommend persons do this from time to time. You can log into the system and you can see your driving history. You can see if there are any outstanding tickets. You can see how many points there are there. And the most important thing is you can see that your ticket is reflected as being paid when you paid it. That gives a lot of people peace of mind. Now, the second part of the ticketing system is now the police now have handheld devices to issue tickets, and they have mobile printers. Excellent system. This is what was needed from a long time ago. So let's say you commit an offense. Let's say you run a red light. The police pull you over. You give them your driver's license. They can now look up your entire driving history online on these handheld devices. They can tell how many points you have. They can tell when last you got a traffic ticket, if you have any outstanding tickets, if there's any warrant out for your arrest. Everything is there. And let's say you don't have your driver's license with you. You give them the name, and the information that the police pull up has your picture. So this is definitely a good system. This is what the police needed a long time ago. This system will bring law and order back on the roads in Jamaica. Just have to give it some time. Okay, so now the police issue you an electronic ticket. You can receive a printed ticket and you can receive it via email. You now have 30 days to pay that ticket. It used to be 21 days. You now have 30 days to pay the ticket at a tax office. Now let's say you don't think you ran the red light, so you want to go to court, or you just forget to pay the ticket. You go to court and adjudicate the matter, so to speak. Then let's say you don't go to court. Okay, let's say you go to court and the judge fines you $10,000, which is the amount for running a red light. You can pay your ticket at the court, and all that information will be updated on the system. So when you go home, you can check and see, yes, the court has a ticket has been paid. Now let's say you don't go to court and a warrant is now going to be issued for your arrest, which is how it was supposed to be before, but the courts just weren't issuing warrants for 101 excuses. The courts just were not doing their job. Then now the warrants will be signed electronically. So one of the issues was the courts were saying there are just too many warrants to be signed to go out. So now the entire process is electronic. So electronic warrant will be electronically signed for your arrest, and it will be recorded on that handheld device that the police have. So it's seamless. You get the ticket electronically, you go to the tax office, pay it. If you don't pay it, you go to court. Everything is updated instantly with the use of technology. So this system will bring law and order back to the roads in Jamaica. Now, before the system came into place, one person had over 100 outstanding traffic tickets. 100. So if you get 10 tickets and you don't pay them and police stop you, and all they can do is give you another ticket, because clearly these persons have driving issues to get 100 tickets. So why bother pay it if nothing is being done? But that all changes now. When the police stop you and you have one outstanding ticket, everything is there, and the warrant will be sent out, everything. So this system, a great system. Jamaica needs it, and especially those cameras at the stoplights. Now, speeding, you can understand. Everybody speeds. Sometimes speeding is wrong. It's dangerous. Don't get me wrong. But it happens. Everybody speeds. But to intentionally run a red light, that is the height of indiscipline. Let's put it that way. It's a very dangerous one, and it is the height of indiscipline. So to issue tickets via the camera footage, excellent idea. Excellent. And as we said earlier, it's not new technology. It works all over the world. It's a proven technology. So now Jamaica has upgraded their laws to allow for this kind of system to happen. So we'll keep you guys updated on the new trafficking system, the new ticket system, sorry. But so far, I think in the first 2 weeks of February, the new system came into effect February 1, although the police were issuing tickets via the electronic means before. It was done on a wider scale starting February 1. I think they said there were 5,500 tickets issued between February 1 and February 6. 5,500, and they could tell you exactly how many were paid. And well, the 21 days, the 30 days wouldn't have passed to see how many are outstanding, but the information is there. We're actually going to look it up, and we'll probably keep you guys updated as to what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. We're actually on Highway 2000, the east-west leg, PJ Patterson Highway, and we're heading towards the Maypen Toll Plaza. I think the video started at the Vineyards Toll Plaza, and we're now heading towards the Maypen Toll Plaza. Alright guys, have a good day.